Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's TGIF. Thank God it's Friday. Yes, it's Friday morning. I have been up early, got a bunch of stuff done, hurt my back. I'll be fine. I got big motor. Last night, I prepared breakfast for dinner, which consisted of an egg scramble, which had, of course, eggs, a little bit of cream, salt, pepper, diced onion, diced red bell pepper, and about a teaspoon or so of diced pickled jalapenos, and cheese, mozzarella, and sharp cheddar. Then I did my potatoes O'Brien, which I added more onion, garlic. Oh God, was it good garlic? Oh, garlic. And red bell pepper, diced. And I had some Johnsonville sausage links. It was yummy. A lot of food, but it was very good. I'm not going to post up any recipe or anything like that. I think you all know how to do breakfast. At least I hope so. Tonight, because I have a meeting at 5:30, that it's going to kick me home a little bit later. So I'm doing Red Baron pizza. Let me show you what I got going on. I mean, I know this is simple, but let me show you. Real no hardware, because the pizza goes right in the oven. So I'm doing a classic crust 4-cheese pizza. This is one of Robin and I's favorite Red Baron. Something about the combination of the 4 cheeses is just yummy. I'm going to add some extra cheddar and some mozzarella and some diced up pickled jalapenos. And I will probably use, this is one of my favorite condiments. I've shown this to you before, but this is a Tabasco sweet and spicy sauce. It's very yummy. I just will squirt that on chips, corn chips, and just eat it like that. Yeah, very nice, very tangy. It's got some sweet to it. Of course, it's got a little bit of heat because it is Tabasco. So this is tonight's dinner. And for next week, let me read this to you. Next week, because I haven't posted it yet, Monday, Robert and I are having a date here. I gave her some choices, but I said I wanted to go something Midwest, something, she goes, meat and potatoes. I said, yeah. So I gave her a couple choices for protein. She chose my meatloaf because she would get to take home the extra leftovers. And she's very happy about that. I'm doing one of her favorite potato dishes. This is not Midwestern by any means. Potato lyonnaise. It's one of her favorites. And I actually I really like putting this dish together. And we're going to have green peas. As Robin said last night, let's do your magic. Just do your magic. I will. Monday, spicy chili noodle, I've already had 3 cups of coffee. Spicy chili oil noodles with zucchini and carrots. Now the zucchini is going to be that spiraled zucchini noodle. First I'm going to be working with it. I look forward to it. It should be yummy. Tuesday, chicken marsala over white rice. The chicken marsala is actually, instead of doing like the full breast fillet, breast cut, it's cut up. It's bite size. And Wednesday, I'm doing one of my favorites, beef and peppers over linguine. Thursday, because I have about a half pound of hamburger sitting in the freezer, I'm going to do myself a taco salad. I love the dressing that goes with this. It's really, really good. Friday, because I have a meeting on Friday. This is something really simple. Pasta with spinach and green peas. And Saturday, I think this is Egyptian. Let me see if I can say this. Mocharia stew. It looks really good. Really good. A lot of herbs and spices. A lot of Middle Eastern. Ooh, that's Saturday. So that's what's going on next week. I don't even know what I'm cooking tomorrow. I forget. All right. On this TGIF, enjoy the weather here in Northern California. It's supposed to be about 63 degrees according to Bob Harlan's weather report at about 5:30 this morning. Have a great day. Eat great food. And have fun cooking.